Hello class. In this video, I want to explain our weekly class schedule. I am going to have it stay here on the top every day so that way we know what we're going to be doing. You click here and it will then show you our class schedule. At 9 o'clock, we will have morning meeting in the conference room every day. You can see at 9:15 we will have math instruction. We'll just continue our morning meeting conference. That will be on Mondays and Wednesdays. At 9:30, this is where you'll start independent practice, and I will be available by message if you need help. That is right up here. You click on here, you send me a quick message, and I will get back to you since I will be monitoring those. At 10:15, stop, take a screen break, look at anything but a screen that includes television or video games, take a break. At 10:30, come on back. We will have a lesson in the conference room Tuesdays and Thursdays. If it's not a Tuesday or a Thursday, you can start whatever independent practice was put on our weekly schedule. And that way you have an extra 15 minutes. And again, I will be available for that whole time. You can again just send me a message. At 11:30, that's where we'll say it's lunch and recess. Again, take a screen break, maybe get something to eat. If you're able to, run around the house or whatever you need to do to stretch it out. And then we'll come back. 12:15, it will be rotating specials. That's something that will change each day, and we have to be a little flexible. But Mondays will be coding. Tuesdays, I am hoping to have a rotation between music, art, and PE. Wednesdays, we will do coding again. Thursdays, we will have free choice. That's our site page. There's Some Dog and Reading Eggs and Mathletics and all those choices. Friday, it'll be the same thing except you can also go to the fun and educational sites that are listed. And then at 12:45, we will have closing meeting or read aloud, and that'll also be in the conference room, and that'll be on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. 1 o'clock, our school day is finished, but there's definitely time for you to spend a half hour reading a book, preferably a paper book, but if you are not able to have access to one, you may also use Epic, but we should still be reading for 30 minutes every day.